If you're anything like me and not a fan of reading, then this video is tailor-made for you. Hi, I am Julia, and I'm the facilitator of the Tantric Alchemy Retreat. Let's dive in together. Are you too swamped to dig through a mountain of how-to programs and courses just to find the magic keys to healing your relationship? Do you thrive in a cozy workshop atmosphere where you can ask burning questions, grab personal feedback, and get lovingly knocked by a caring guide who's got the experience and insights to fast-track your relationship? If so, my Tantric Alchemy Retreat in Joshua Tree could be a perfect match. As you know, I've got a knack for helping couples and singles like you discover the pleasure, guidance, and safety needed to turn those desires into real, flourishing relationships with crystal clear communication. And that is why I'm extending a warm invitation for you to join me for 3 amazing days alongside a small group of fabulous individuals, all eager to transform their longing for deeper intimacy into lasting success. Listen, I totally get it. Just a few years ago, I felt like a stranger in my own body, utterly clueless about what I truly desire. I was lacking answer or tools. I felt like I couldn't feel anything. I dealt with painful periods, faked my orgasm, and said yes when I really meant no. Just like you, I dreamed of finding harmony and pleasure. I wanted my intimate moments to be pure bliss and honesty in my relationship, all without the fear of hurting or losing my partner. I longed for the right space and a guide to help me reconnect with myself and my body. I craved a love life filled with open communication and healthy boundaries where my connection felt vibrant and meaningful, regardless of how many years went by. And I wanted tools to make my intimacy truly extraordinary, even on those hectic days when time is scarce. As you may already know, I've turned those dreams into reality. I now enjoy a beautiful relationship with my body, a profound understanding of my needs and desires, tools for authentic communication, technique to enhance my period and hormonal health, and a newfound appreciation for pleasure after years of feeling numb. Each day I wake up feeling supported by my body, empowered to express what I want and free to be my true self. And the cherry on top, I get to run a retreat business that positively impacts hundreds of lives across the globe. I want you to know that I'm sharing this not to toot my own horn, but for 2 important reasons. Number 1, I truly understand what you're going through. Number 2, I can show you the exact path to get to the other side. Because here's the deal. I've been there and done that. I've even trained others to navigate it successfully. So, what is this retreat all about? Before I dive into the details, let me share how it all started. A few years ago, I began getting requests from both men and women seeking help to express their desires and needs to their partners. I also worked one-on-one with various couples and singles in coaching sessions. They all yearned for a few distraction-free days dedicated to focusing on their relationships without the interruptions of work, kids, or daily responsibilities. But here is the kicker. After reviewing all the requests, it became clear that the demand for this kind of intimate coaching was much higher than I could handle on my own. Even more compelling were the applications from couples ready for their next growth phase who would benefit from a more affordable option. So, I took a step back to evaluate the most impactful elements of my coaching program and brainstormed a way to deliver remarkable results in a condensed format. And voila! The Tantric Alchemy Retreat was born, a 3-day in-person experience with a limited number of participants. Here is what the program covers. Number 1, breakthrough ancient wisdom and techniques. Number 2, lively Q&A session with me after each workshop. Number 3, communication exercises focus on building trust and understanding. Number 4, handy cheat sheets and recorded videos for post-retreat practice at home. Number 5, a supportive community of like-minded individuals to connect with and grow alongside. To be clear, this is not your typical sit and listen to lectures setup. It is not designed for masses. This is a private, closed door, roll up your sleeves experience. This is all about helping you create your dream intimacy. And my job? To personally guide you through overcoming obstacles and provide the specific feedback you need to keep advancing. Breakthrough happen when I team up with you in an intimate, hand-picked group of like-minded participants during hot seat sessions and our Ask Me Anything Q&As. Get ready for a powerful, raw, and unrecorded retreat experience. Please be aware that you will need to sign a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, to safeguard the privacy of your shares and that of your fellow participants. If you're not comfortable with this agreement, then this retreat isn't for you. Important. To get the most out of the Tantric Alchemy Retreat, it is essential to be clear about what you want to achieve, the feedback you are seeking, and any obstacles you wish to overcome. And don't fret, we'll provide a handy step-by-step guide to help you maximize your experience. This retreat is perfect for those seeking a real-time engagement in a thoughtfully crafted environment and who crave personalized attention on what you need to move forward. It is also for individuals who cherish their relationships with themselves and their partners and are eager to contribute to growth, success, and well-being. Here are some amazing outcomes you can expect from the Tantric Alchemy Retreat. Enhance your skills in the bedroom. Foster a healthier, happier bond with your partner. Infuse freshness into your relationship. Rekindle the passion in your love life. Discover newfound comfort and confidence in your body. Become a masterful lover. Break free from fears and limiting beliefs surrounding intimacy. Craft a detailed plan to achieve the pleasure you desire and deserve. Become a multi-orgasmic individual. Sharpen your communication skills so you can be heard and understood. The where, the what, and times. The Tantric Alchemy Retreat is happening from October 16th through 18th, 2026 in sunny Joshua Tree, California. Our journey begins on Friday at 3 p.m. and wraps up on Sunday at 11 a.m. But wait, there is more. Alongside the retreat program, you will snag these fabulous bonuses to ensure you have everything you need for fantastic results and ongoing growth. Number 1, a Tantric Retreat book filled with communication exercises. Number 2, a follow-up email with photos and all your learning insights. Number 3, $900 discount on my one-on-one mentorship. To welcome you into my world, I've got a little gift for you. Tantric communication exercises for couples. Press the button below. Before you reserve your spot, please send me an email. Also, please keep in mind that you will be responsible for your own airfare and travel. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to work with you.